Defaulting homeowners started the nation's economic crisis. Now, some experts warn credit card debt may be the next blow, and you may feel the first effects soon. CNN's Mary Snow explains.
Does plastic pose the next threat to the economy? Prominent banking analyst Meredith Whitney warns in a Wall Street Journal opinion piece that credit cards are the next credit crunch. She estimates $2 trillion of credit card lines will be cut this year. $2.7 trillion by the end of next year. And a big pullback on that credit, many economists agree, could further slow already weak consumer spending.
The question is, is it going to be too fast? And is it going to also affect individuals who are actually good borrowers, who are able to repay their loans, their credit cards, but the banks are just being too cautious and going to cut those as well.
With people falling behind on mortgage payments and losing their jobs, there's worries about customers not paying their credit card debt. American Express recently offered to pay some customers to close their accounts if they paid off their balances. Those who follow the credit card industry say companies like American Express are trying to protect themselves against risky customers.
Credit card issuers as a whole are trying to cut down their risk, and this was just another way for them to do it.
The solution? In the article, Whitney calls on lenders, politicians, and regulators for thoughtful leadership to prevent what she estimates to be a 57% contraction in credit lines. But another economist says while at the same time these companies are cutting credit lines to protect against risk, they also make money by loaning it to consumers most often at double-digit interest rates.
There's certainly a tug of war going on between these kind of competing issues, but I wouldn't have the complete kind of doomsday outlook out there.
Banking analyst Meredith Whitney says desperate times call for radical measures, and she's calling on credit card lenders to work together to keep intact credit lines for people who do have the ability to pay their bills. Mary Snow, CNN, New York.